Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Forms, a powerful tool for creating surveys, quizzes, and polls. Whether you're an educator, a business professional, or someone who loves collecting data, this guide will get you started step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft 365 portal. Click Sign In at the top right and enter your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, head over to forms.office.com or find Microsoft Forms in your app launcher. To start, click New Form. You'll see a blank template where you can add a title and description. Make it clear so your responders understand the purpose of your form. Next, consider adding sections to organize your questions. Click Add New, then choose Section. This is especially helpful if your form covers multiple topics. To make your form more engaging, you can add images or videos. Click the image icon to upload from your device or search online. For videos, use the Insert Video option, paste the URL from a video hosting service, and make sure it adds context to your questions. Finally, click Add to confirm any media and preview your form to ensure everything works perfectly. And that's it. You're now ready to create, share, and analyze your forms efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy form building. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.